welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a wig review video, and the wig I'm reviewing today is from Alipearl hair. Guys, I'm so excited to be working with Alipearl hair. I've always wanted to work with them, and I'm so glad we're working together. Okay, so this is how the wig came in. It came in this box, Alipearl hair. Okay, so when you open up the box, you are going to see the wig. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys the wig later on, but I want to show you guys every other thing that came with the wig. Okay, this wig came with this satin bag, so this is where you're going to put your wig when you are done, you know, wearing your wig and installing your wig. Okay, the wig also came with this elastic band. It also came with another elastic band, and it also came with these cute lashes. I really love these lashes, it's so cute. And then it came with this too. This is an Alipearl satin, I think, head wrap, if I'm correct. And it also came with this hairbrush, and it came with a wig cap, of course. This is the wig I'm going to be installing today. I really love the texture of this wig. This wig is a kinky wig, as you guys can see, and you guys can see that it is so soft and it is so full. This wig is 180% density, and it is a 5x5 closure wig. And what else? It is a bob wig, and it is in 16 inches, so you guys can see how juicy the curls are. The curls of this wig are really nice. I really like the curls, so I'm just going to put on this wig so you guys can see how it looks like before installing. So guys, I wanted to show you up close how this hair is looking. You guys can see the curls on this hair is pretty tight, and I don't really think this hair is plucked. The lace on this hair didn't really match my skin, so I decided to add my foundation so it can blend well. It can blend well with my skin, so you can just add your foundation, or you can just bleach the knots so it blends well with your skin. So guys, I decided to pluck the hair just a little bit because I didn't want to over pluck, and I didn't really want to do too much to this wig, so I just plucked a little bit of the hairs so it looks a little bit natural, like my natural hair. And I went ahead to use my wax stick just to slick down the hair and, you know, to take away any flyovers. So guys, I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do some baby hairs, but then I ended up doing baby hairs. But you guys will see later on in the video that I didn't lay my baby hairs even after cutting it. I just discovered the hair looked good without baby hairs, so I didn't end up laying my baby hairs. So right here I was just using my comb because I wanted to get like a fuller look. I didn't want a tight coil. I wanted it to be full, so I used my comb just to fluff it up a little bit. And here I went ahead to cut off the lace. I still struggle with cutting lace on my head, so I just cut it on the dummy head. It is way easier for me that way. So guys, I decided to use my got to be freeze spray and spray it on the lace and place it on my forehead. That way it sticks to my forehead. I didn't even tie it up, because I didn't want to do too much to this wig, and I'm really happy that it turned out pretty well, even without laying and using the glue and all that many stuff. I really love this afro look. This hair is gorgeous and the texture is bomb. Like, the texture of this hair is just absolutely gorgeous. This hair is very soft. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this hair is very soft. I'm going to use my comb and just pick it out a little bit more because I want to go for like a fuller afro look. So guys, I'm going to add some water to the hair because I want to see how this hair is going to look like when it is wet. Like, I want to do like a wet look. So I want to see how this hair is going to look like when it is wet. So I'm going to add some water so I can see what this hair is going to be. So guys, this is how this hair is looking like when it is wet. Guys, can you see how the back looks? So this is how this hair is looking like when it is wet. I'm really confused. I don't really know if I like it wet or if I like it afro look, but I really love both looks. It's absolutely gorgeous, and this hair is really soft. Like, guys, can you see this hair? This hair is soft. I love the texture of this hair. Alipearl hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. I really love this hair. Guys, if you want to purchase this hair, do well to check my description box because all the details of this hair is going to be in my description box. And I know you guys want to slay. I know you guys want to slay like me, so do well to check my description box so you guys can place your order. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.